Hi, this is Faith Sloan. It's such an exciting day. This is March 17th, 2017. I've already shown you guys a video, have a video tutorial out there. I'm going to put the link, attach that to this video. But I've shown you how to take your reserve account cash, transfer that reserve account cash over to the trading platform, and then utilize that cash over there to buy XECoins. Okay, that is the purpose of the reserve account, so we can buy XECoins every single Friday. Now, what I'm going to show you today is how you can take your unlocked XEUs, transfer as many or as little as you like to over into the trading platform, and then sell those XEUs on the market, on the internal exchange, in order to receive cash back. Okay, because every XEU has a one-to-one relationship with the XeCoin. Okay, so hold on to your hats. Let me show you. So the first thing you want to do, you want to cursor over my wallet, transfer to exchange. And so since I have not yet logged into the exchange portal, the first thing you need to do is log into the exchange. And this is for those people who haven't already logged into their exchange in the past. But this particular account has never logged into the exchange. So we're going to click on log into the exchange. Another tab opens in my browser, shows you the PowerOn Xpress trading platform login page. I'm going to log in. So I've logged into the trading platform, the PowerOn Xpress trading platform. So I'm going to talk about some of these numbers up here briefly. The last price of the last transaction was 13 cents. Market change was minus 31.58%. Don't be alarmed. This is just came back up today, a couple of hours ago. When we get more and more people performing transactions, you're going to see a lot more fluctuation in this market change, which is normal. The volume in the last 24 hours, which is actually in the last couple of hours, was about 9,389. The minimum and maximum price ran from 10 cents to 20 cents. Okay. Let's see. The daily sale unit, you can only sell 500 XEUs every day. Okay. You can buy what you want, but you can only sell 500 XEUs a day. I'm hoping that will increase in the future, but meanwhile, let's continue. What we have here at the top, the exchange, that's the home page. That is where I am now. Support, deposit, withdrawals, and profile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the tab in my browser. I'm going to go back to my back office in PowerOn Network, PowerOnNetwork.biz. Now I should be able to perform a transfer. So I'm going to click on this refresh button here. And this is what you would see anyway if you've already in the past have logged on to your trading platform. So here they're going to allow me to either transfer from my reserve account, which I am not doing because I have nothing, but even if I did, this tutorial is about how to transfer your XEUs. So I'm going to click here to XEU account. I'm going to transfer 500 since the limit on trading over there is only 500 XEUs a day. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go on and transfer it all over there. 1496. Next couple of days, I'll do some transactions. And the security pin, let's see here. So I've entered my security pin. Now I'm going to perform the transfer. Okay? And you can verify that you perform the transfer because you see now I have no available XEUs in this account that are unlocked. And today I have, it says March 18th, that's the server time, it's March 17th on my side of the world, 1,496 XEUs were transferred to the trading platform. So what I'm going to do now in my browser, I have a second tab open, which is the trading platform. I'm going to go back over there. I'm going to click on deposits to make sure that my deposits are being displayed. When you click on deposits, the first thing you'll see is euros. And this is what you will see if you deposit cash from your reserve account, etc. But I did not do that. So I'm going to scroll down. What I deposited was XE units or XEUs. You see, 1,496. It has been complete. So now I can perform a transaction. I'm going to click on Exchange, which is the home page of the trading platform. And there's a 500 XEU sale limit. Okay. So you will see here available for trading, because when you're buying, you got to have some cash to buy. Okay. I'm not buying. I'm actually selling my XEUs for cash. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say 500. If you try to put in more than 500 and execute it, you're going to get a message telling you that the max limit is 500. So XEU amount is 500. So I'm going to take 1496. I'm going to take 500 out of the 1496. And let me see, what do I want to sell it for? Let me see what people are selling it for. People are selling it for 14 cents, 15 cents, 16, 17, 18, 19. Even someone's selling theirs for 20 cents. Wow. So what I'm going to, I see what people are buying it for. I see people are buying it for 10, 11, 12, and 13. So what I'm going to do is, I could do 14. Yes, as a matter of fact, I'll do 14 and see what happens. No, I'll just do 13. And then I know my transaction is going to execute for the sake of expediting this video tutorial. So I'm going to say 0.13 is what I'm going to sell, 500. That's a 1.3 fee, which is 2%. And I'm going to, it's a 1.3 fee, whatever that is. And then, so the total is 66.3 euros. I'm going to place that sale order. This is what I'm asking for. You know, when you're trading, you have bid and you have ask. And I'm asking for 13 cents for 500 XEUs. 2% fee percentage, 1.3% is the fee, 66.3 is the total, including the fee. I click on sell XECs. Up here you see success. Your order has been executed. Of course it was going to be executed very quickly. Everyone is trying to sell at 19 cents, 20 cents, 15 cents, 14 cents. And I lowballed them just for the sake of this video, so I can show you how all of that is going to look and how the process works. Now, so typically, if you are really doing buys and sales, you won't get a fast execution because there will be so many competitors and all these transactions happening, a lot of bids going on, a lot of asking going on, and it'll be in the pending bucket until your sale is executed. Mine went very, very quickly because I lowballed all of the sellers. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you the history. So you're going to scroll down. So they're going to show you the history of what's going on. March 17, March 17, March 17. This is the market history. Sale, 370 units were sold for 13 cents. 481 units were sold for 14 cents. 130 units sold for 13 cents. So it looks like people are really buying them at 13 and 14 cents. Okay? So I also want to show you, and you can see a whole list of what's going on. It looks like 13 cents is that going average here. Yeah, going rate, 14 cents, 13 cents, 14 cents, 13 cents, 14 cents, which is pretty neat for us. We just opened up a couple hours ago. But if you want to look at your specific history rather than the market history, you click on My History. And I asked myself, what happened to my transaction? I just do a refresh. I right-click, I refresh. I'm using Firefox. You know, however you refresh your page, I want you to do that. Then I click on My History. Here it is, March 17th. I did a sale. I asked for 13 cents. I got it. 500 units, 65 euros, and it was executed. So now, let's take a look here, and you will see here where it says sell XEUs. Pardon me. I have 996 XEUs left because I just sold 500. Okay? Because my limit on a daily basis is 500. Over here on the left, you see available for withdrawing is 63.7. Nothing is available for trading. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to basically withdraw the cash. Okay? Oh, this is not where you withdraw. This is where you trade. This is where you trade. In order to withdraw or deposit, in order to withdraw, you would go and click on withdraw in your top menu. So, available for withdrawal, 63.7 euros. So, I'm going to say 63.7. Two-factor, it's two-factor authentication, you would do that in your profile. You would set up your security. That's just an added level of security on your account. Make sure you set that up. For this account, I have yet to set it up, so I'm not going to put anything there in the two-factor authentication or 2FA box. I'm basically going to request the withdrawal. Request a withdrawal, and you'll get a message, as you can see here, that says withdrawal was successfully requested. It didn't say that you received it. So you'll see that it is pending. It's typically very quick to see the money. I do a refresh. Let me see if it's been completed. It's still pending. I'm going to give it a while. I'll be back. Okay, what I did was I refreshed, and you'll see here the status is no longer pending. The status is that the withdrawal is finished or has been completed. How can I verify that? I click on my tab, which is going to take me to the back office in PowerOn Xpress, which is poweronNetwork.biz, where I'm logged in. And so I'm going to click on my dashboard, and I should see 63.7, yes, in euros in my current account. And I can withdraw that. I can, if you have money back there that would add on, you can buy more PP1s. You can upgrade from PP1 to PP3, upgrade, whatever, depending upon how much money you have here. I'm going to be sending this to one of my colleagues who's just a little short in purchasing a PP5. So that's it. That's it in a nutshell. I have no more unlocked XEUs, but I will Friday. I have no more. I will also have more at the end of the month. At the end of the month, 10% of my locked XEUs are released. So I will have 720 going to be released at the end of the month. And every week I'm going to get 1.5% on the XEUs that I purchased that were not bonus XEUs that the company had given us when they had these promotions going on. You only get the 1.5% on a weekly basis on the XEUs that you've actually purchased. With that said, I'd like to say good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very, very excited. We're on a roll. And remember, there's a one-to-one relationship between the XEU and the XeCoin in terms of the pricing. And what's more important is that we are not just about supply and demand on an internal platform. We're also going to be on the external public exchange, which is going to help drive our prices, utilizing the forces of supply and demand. And finally, the assets and the sales profits of all of the products coming from Exergonix is going to help fuel, okay, the price of the XEUs and thus the XeCoins. This is the only active coin, cryptocurrency, that's backed by a commodity, that's backed by renewable energy. Today is just day one, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone needs to bring in people and share this with people and let them know what we have here and how we are filling our bank accounts for the future. And by building our network today, how we are having some now money so we can pay our bills and enjoy life today. Good evening, good afternoon, good day. Faith Sloan, signing off.